explain how to importing the files into After Effects, and also I will explain how to import the Photoshop files inside After Effects. So this is the project window where I can import the image files. Double click, it will open the browser window. Cancel, shortcut key Ctrl I for importing, and next thing, go to File, Import File. 3 ways you can able to import, and one more thing, drag and drop. If you drag, go to the browser and drop where you selected the files. Drag and drop, select the file and drag. So double click. See, if I am using this image, it will image single image. If I double click, see, this is where imported file, and this is where the input file. So input file is showing in footage, not in composition. If I double click again, if I want sequence, this is single image. It is not having any kind of animation. Now I will import the sequence file. Double click. See, this is a single animation file. It contains multiple layers. If I click on one frame, it will show here as a Targa sequence. Targa sequence is nothing but all the image files has been rendered, imported into, all the render files will be imported into a single file. All the images formed together into a single sequence. If I say import, so it is asking, because this is the file came from animation program, other animation program such as Maya, particle animation softwares, third party, Max and everything. So it is asking some kind of thing. This I will explain. So in the meanwhile, I will select a pre-multiplied and say OK. What is meant by pre-multiplied, straight and ignore? I will explain. I will say OK. If I double click on this particular file, you can see sequence. This is, see, you can see series of images. In this, you can see only single image. In this, you can see series of images. If I double click, play. Just like editing software, spacebar to play. So this is the blast created in third-party software. Backward, you can see. So now I will import this is the way. If you want only single image, select this image, but you can't see the preview. Why? Because in After Effects you can't see the preview. Right click, view and say large icons, because this is in Targa format. Only JPEG format can be able to visible on this browser. If I select one and disable Targa, you can import only that particular image. See, now this won't play because you are not getting the playback controls. This is single file. This is the frames consist of multiple images, so that's why it is playing. And this is also a single image. So this is the way we have to import any files in After Effects. Now I will show you how to import projects. Already created projects inside After Effects. Double click. I select the After Effects project. Before I explain, I saved as interface. Same like that only, I have selected one title and say import. The whole project is imported. The whole project is imported inside After Effects. If you click this button, triangle button, you can see this folder contains all files. Like this, you can able to import multiple projects. If I click again, see, this is one project file, it contains multiple projects. This is other project file, it contains multiple projects. So each each folder contains different. This is one project, this is one project, this is image sequence, single image, this is image sequence, and this is single image. Please subscribe to my channel in the below link so that you can get more updates and more lessons. So please subscribe.